In a shocking incident from Bhadrak, a youth was stabbed during a scuffle over an electric vehicle near Charampa School Road on Tuesday evening. The situation turned violent when an argument broke out between a young man who was trying to start his electric vehicle and a group of others present at the scene. Sources say the dispute started over vibrations caused by the vehicle, sparking a heated verbal exchange. Trying to calm things down, Karthik Chandra Padhi, a friend of the vehicle owner, stepped in to mediate. But what happened next took a dangerous turn. One of the youths allegedly pulled out a sharp weapon and stabbed Karthik in the midst of the altercation. He was immediately rushed to a nearby hospital by locals. Though his condition is stable, he remains under medical observation. Following the incident, Bhadrak Town Police registered a case and have begun raids at multiple locations to track down the accused. Preliminary investigation hints at personal enmity or provocation during the argument. The incident has triggered fear and anger in the locality, with residents demanding strict action against the culprits.
କହିଲା ଏମିତି କାହିଁ ଗାଡ଼ି ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ମାରୁଛୁ କହିଲା ତୁ ଏଠି ଏମିତି ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ମାରିପାରିବୁ ନାହିଁ କହିକି ମଣ୍ଡପ ଉପରୁ ପୁରା ଉଠିକି ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲେ। ତାପରେ ସେଠୁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ସାଙ୍ଗ ପିଲାଟା ଯିଏ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ମାରିଥିଲା ସେ ସେଠୁ ଗାଡ଼ିଟା ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ବନ୍ଦ କଲା। କହିଲା ଭାଇ ତୁ ଭାଷା କାହିଁ ଖରାପ କରୁଛୁ। ଏତିକି କଥା ଭିତରେ ସେ ଗାଡ଼ି ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ମାରିକି ସିଏ ବି ଓହ୍ଲେଇବା ଭିତରେ ମୁଁ ଏପଟେ ଗାଡ଼ି ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ମାରିକି ବୁଲିକି ଆସୁଛି। ଆସିବା ଭିତରେ ସେମାନେ ପାଖାପାଖି ଧସ୍ତାଧସ୍ତି ଉପରକୁ କଥା ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲାଣି। ମୁଁ ତାପରେ ଯାଇକି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଅଟକାଅଟକି କରିବା ଭିତରେ ସେ ସଡନଲି ଛୁରୀ ଧରିଛି। ମୋର ଏତେ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ନାହିଁ, ସଡନଲି ଛୁରୀ କାଢିଲା, ତାକୁ ଛୁରୀ ମାରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ସାଙ୍ଗ ପିଲାଟାକୁ ଛୁରୀ ଦେଖଉଥିଲା। ଦେଖୁ ଦେଖୁ ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲି ମୋ ଉପରେ ସେ ଆଟାକ୍ କଲା।